Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you could receive GIFs on your TikTok videos. Now, there's actually an option on TikTok for this, and I'll show you where it's at, but basically just log into your TikTok account, head over to the profile section, head over to the top right-hand corner, click the three lines, and then click on TikTok Studio. Now, you're going to want to go to the monetization tab and just basically look for that and then slide through the options until you find the video GIFs option. Now, go ahead and click that, and then it's going to say right here, viewers can send GIFs on your eligible videos when this feature is turned on. So enable it, and it's going to show you a little criteria you have to meet for video GIFs, but you need to have at least 10,000 followers on your account and then pass whatever else rules that they have for this program. So basically, you'll be able to get GIFs on your top performing videos if you meet this criteria. All right, make sure that you're abiding with the community guidelines and all of that. So that's how you go ahead and get video GIFs on your videos, and basically that's how you monetize your videos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like. Nonetheless, I'll see you all for the next one.